Alright, this is the DJI controller. It comes with joysticks that are able to be screwed in. Has a nice grip on the back handle side, and the phone actually goes up here. I will get to that in a second. But to get started, we're going to go ahead and pull out the joysticks that go inside of the controller. You just pull them out at the bottom right here. And then you just insert them inside of the controller, and you just spin them slowly and not too tight. And then you pull the other one from the other side and place it in the controller and spin it tightly. So once you have it in there, you're ready to control. I'm going to go ahead and put in the phone into the slot right here that goes in there. Before I go to that, I'm going to show you some of the controls. You have a control right here. I have this setting for controlling the gimbal. You have this right here. This is your quick camera action button for recording or taking a picture. And on the front, you have the return home pause button. You can make the selection between Cine flight for cinematography flight, normal flight, or the sport mode. The power setting is here. I'll get to that in a second. You have your function key, which you can change to be whatever you want to. You have this switch right here, which will enable you to switch between photography and videography. At the bottom is the slot for the USB-C charger connector. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the phone. So in order to put in the phone, you have to bring this up, spring-loaded. And you'll see on the back of this, it has two nodules right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull one of them up and pull it around. The one that you pull up is the one on the left-hand side. And you just kind of sit this right here. So once you've done that, you're going to take your phone, and in this case I have an iPhone. I'm going to make sure the plug is on this side right here facing to my right. And what I do is I go ahead and slide the plug inside first, and then I simply slide the phone down, press up, and into place. The phone is there. So once you're in there, you can go ahead and power it on, and you power it on by pressing the power button and holding it down. I'm going to demonstrate that right now. So I'll tap it once to see what the power is. It's a fully charged. Going to go ahead and hold it down. Nothing. So tap it twice like this. 1, 2. And you see it turns on just like that. So that's the DJI controller. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.